fireworks are going off right now. Right, this one is the supernova, I think. 1, 2, 3. Allahu Akbar! Shit! Fuck! Right, so basically the video that you've just watched is me almost getting hit by fireworks and my family as well, and it was just one of those freak accidents. Like the box, there was called the supernova. It was about this wide, and like it just fell and it just like shooting towards us. So a lesson was learned from today: be safe around fireworks. Like don't just think, oh yeah, it would never happen to me, because honestly I never thought that, but it was the most scary thing ever. I generally thought I was going to die. So this wasn't the usual thing today, but I hope you'd like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's it for this video. Peace out.